Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to JPEG. There are no option to convert the objects into JPEG in TinkerCAD, but you can convert into PNG file. So as example, I will create a box and the other I will use this shape object. Now, if you want to make PNG file, you can zoom in like this, and then you can go to setting. We can hide for the girth, click close settings, and after it you can go to send to button, click in here, and then you can click these icons to download into PNG file. So you can click in here to open your JPEG or PNG file. Okay, that's it for basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to JPEG file. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.